Jewish from Israel Jewish?
Jewish from Eritrea Jewish.
Okay.
You know, the east side of Africa, Ethiopia. It used to all be Ethiopia.
Right.
And there was a war there that happened for 30 years, and my father came here as a refugee.
Okay.
Came as a
Eritrea, an African country bordering the Red Sea.
There was a war there for 30 years, and my father was from there. He's an Eritrean Jew, and he came here to America, met my mama at a gas station, and booyah!
You're Jewish.
Uh-huh.
And Eritrean.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I gotta represent my ancestors. You know, I think it's really important to represent your ancestors. I mean, they did what they did to get you here, so why not honor them?
That's fantastic. I love that. And at the beginning, sure, yeah, you can clap for that.
You recently visited Eritrea
Yes.
in Africa, which is where your father was from. What was it like visiting there? It must have been quite an experience.
Wow, it was so amazing. First off, the food is so good because it's like no GMOs, and there is no fast food there at all. So everything is like natural, grown out the ground, real. Like we had goat, right? And it was great. And I went to the restaurant. I didn't know, like, okay, there, if you want some meat, they like kill it for you right there. Like they kill the animal. That you know, you need to honor your ancestors. It's important to honor the ones that brought you here. Like,
absolutely.
Even if you don't see them, you don't know them, they're still inside of you. They're still in your blood. Like, and you need to honor that. And so I was like, well, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that. And then he passed, and I had to take him back to Eritrea, right? And he always requested if he passed away to put him with his mother. So I did that, and then I started to meet that's the first time I felt like a complete human being. I met my great aunties.
When you
and
went
my
back.
cousins.
I hear that a lot. Yeah.
And it was the most like fulfilling thing ever, and to see those people like, and always
What was he from?
he's from Eritrea. He's an Eritrean Jew.
What the hell is that?
Eritrea is right next to Ethiopia. They were in war together. It was all Ethiopia at one point in time. There's a big old war that happened for like 30 years, and my dad came to America as a refugee. And hey, Leslie,
you look beautiful.
Thank you.
And there's so much chatter online about your dress, with people saying that it was an homage actually to your family. Can you talk a little bit about why you picked it and how you chose it?
Well, I had talked to my stylist, Law Roach, and I was telling him I want to wear something that represents my father's country, but still has, you know, an American feel to it. Something still stylish and fashionable, but still pays homage to my heritage. So this actually is the same colors as the Eritrean flag, and my father's from Eritrea. And
Beautiful. And they're the story behind what you're wearing.
yes, my father is from Eritrea. He passed away last year, and he said one day I would end up here, and if I ever end up at the Oscars, to honor my people, so I'm honoring my fellow Eritreans.
Yeah, that you're honored, but I love it. I love it.